For this question, we're asked, how would a scientist make 250 milliliters of an 18% volume-to-volume solution of alcohol in water? Because it is volume to volume, we know that this literally means that we would have 18 milliliters of the solute over 100 milliliters of solution. In the context of this problem, our solute is the alcohol. And our solution is the mix of alcohol and water. So we know that we want a total of 250 milliliters of the solution. So we're going to put our 250 milliliters in the denominator to match up with the 100 milliliters of solution. And since we have the 18 milliliters of the alcohol in the numerator, we can put X milliliters here. And when we solve this proportion, we will be solving for the amount of the alcohol. So first thing I do is I cross multiply and I come up with 100x is equal to 4,500. I divide both sides by 100 and I get x is equal to 45. And that would be milliliters of the alcohol, because that's the label that we had in our proportion. Now, we also need to know the milliliters of water, but because 45 of the milliliters is alcohol, we have to do subtraction. So we take 250 milliliters, and that is of our solution, subtract out the amount of that is alcohol, which in this case is the 45 milliliters, and we come up with 205 milliliters of the water. And so this problem is a little bit different than the IV fluids ones, because in this problem we have to account for the fact that our solute, in this case the alcohol, does take up some of the volume of the total solution. And so we need two numbers in our answer, the amount of alcohol and then the amount of the diluent, which is the water in this case.